Welcome to the Python programming series. My name is Shubhranshini from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. In today's video, we will cover the fundamentals of variables and basic operations in Python. Let's get started. Introduction to variables. A variable in Python is a name that refers to a value. Variables are used to store data that can be manipulated and referenced throughout a program. Let's explore how to declare and initialize variables, performing arithmetic operations, manipulate strings, and convert data types. Declaring and initializing variables. Declaring a variable means creating it in memory, while initializing variable means assigning it an initial value. Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to specify the data type of the variable. For example, in this example, we have declared and initialized four variables: age, name, height, and is underscore student with values of different data types. Naming conventions. It's important to follow proper naming conventions for variables to ensure your code is readable and maintainable. Here are some tips. Descriptive names. Variable names should be descriptive and convey the purpose of the variable. For example, age, name, and height are descriptive names. Underscores. Use underscores to separate words in variable names. For example, first underscore name and last underscore name. Avoid keywords. Avoid using Python keywords and special characters in variable names. For example, class, def, and return are keywords and should not be used as variable names. Performing arithmetic operations. Python supports basic arithmetic operations including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. In this example, we have performed various arithmetic operations on the variables a and b. String manipulations. Python provides several ways to manipulate strings, including concatenation, repetition, slicing, and finding the length. Let's explore these operations. In this example, first we concatenated greeting and name. Then we repeated greetings three times, and then we sliced the string greeting and found the length of greeting. Next is type conversions. Type conversion function allow you to convert data from one type to another. Common type conversion function include int, float, string, and bool. Let's use them in an example. We have converted a string to a integer, an integer to a float, and a float to a string, and then at last a string to a boolean. Practical example. It's a basic calculator. Let's create a practical example of a basic calculator that gets two numbers from the user and performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We define four functions: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Each function takes parameter x and y and then returns the results of the respective operation. In the divide function, we include a conditional statement to check if y is not 0 before performing the division to avoid a division by 0 error. This example is last seen by the before video. Here we have introduced only a single thing. We then get two numbers from the user using the input function. Then convert them to floats and then use these functions to perform arithmetic operations and display the results. To summarize, we have covered the basics of variables, arithmetic operations, string manipulations, type conversions in Python. We have also seen practical example. Using these fundamentals is essential for developing more complex programs in Python. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with a solid foundation in variables and basic operations in Python. Stay tuned for more videos in our Python programming series. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please feel free to reach out. Happy coding!